Sarvebhyo Namo Namaha. By grace of Ma Saraswati and Maharshi Panini, we have got the fortune of serving Sanskrit language. I, Snehal Arjun Vyas, teacher of Vedshala Gurukulam, welcomes all of you. I have written a workbook named Subodh Sanskritam. In this book, from alphabets to nouns, pronouns, Vivachanam, Madhyam Purusha, verbs, teaching sentence formations and major tenses of Sanskrit, all Ajanta Vibhakti Rupani, Upapada Vibhakti, Parasmaypada, Atmanepada Rupani, Upasarga, Pratyaya Rupani, and many other lessons have been included in great details. Total 30 lessons and 60 exercises have been given in this workbook. This will be more advanced level than our old Abhyas Varga. Along with this, workshop is also organized for all of you in the month of June and July. You can pre-book your book right away and avail the discount given on it. Regarding pre-booking and workshop details, Arjun Mahoday will talk to you now. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Sarvebhyo Namo Namaha. As just now Snehal just now said, that I will be explaining you that what will be the workshop, how it will work, and how to buy the book and what will be the price of it. So I am here again to explain you the details. Pay your attention on this topic. Basically, this let us understand what is this Subodh Sanskritam for. This Subodh Sanskritam is the next level after you have done your spoken Sanskritam. Yes, after you have completed your spoken Sanskritam, it is good that if you go ahead with your grammar level, and there you will be learning many more new things and your sentence formation will be more perfect. Those spoken Sanskritam is the initial part. Thereafter, this Subodh Sanskritam is required, to tell you very frankly. Now going ahead, this Subodh Sanskritam will have two segments. Number one is you will have to purchase the book. The MRP of the book is $6.99. But as it is the first launch and as you are all connected with Vedshala Sanskritam, it is offered at a discount. And now the book will be available at 499 rupees plus 50 rupees postage. So overall, you will be paying 549 rupees for the book. You have to pre-book the whole thing, the books and all that, and you will receive the book by courier. Now the second part is the workshop. So after you all have received this thing, in the month of June, July, we will be having a workshop, live workshop, for the first time and only time. Means the first time it will be live workshop. Thereafter, it will be in the recorded module. No one will be getting any recording of these sessions. So you have to attend each and every day. Now, this workshop fees are rupees 2,000. Frankly, my friends, earlier and everybody of you all know that Vedshala Sanskritam is not a platform which is on a commercial basis. We are not here to make money and profit and all that. But yes, at the same time, we want serious students as well. We want serious participants connected with Sanskritam. So there are costs. Apart from there, you all know there are welfare projects that we undertake through our Vedshala Gurukulam. And for that purpose, we are going to charge you. Now the workshop fees are 2,000 rupees. I think so it is worth 2,000 rupees for the workshop. And those who have done their earlier, they have done their Abhyas Varga, will get a discount on the workshop of 25%. Yani workshop fees of 2,000, they will be getting a 25% discount. Means, in other words, for them, those who have done अभ्यास वर्ग, they will be paying only 1,500, यानी 1,500 रुपए. That is the thing, because they have already gone through the initial aspect of Abhyas work. But this is, again, I repeat, this is not repetition of Abhyas work. This is totally different than the Abhyas work. Abhyas work, totally different than Abhyas work. So it is more important that you attend. Those who have done Abhyas work also, it is very much required to go for Subodh Sanskritam. Now, once again, the fees of the the fees of the course workshop will be 2,000 rupees. For those who have done Abhyas work, they will get 25% discount. For them, it will be 1,500 rupees. And the book price is already in discount. So for both of them, everybody, the book is available at 499 rupees plus 50 rupees of postage. So how to proceed? Let us understand how to go ahead. Now you have to just message us on our Vedshala number 8080-108-801. Interested in new course or interested in Subodh Sanskritam. Just message that and you will get a link. Link of making the payment is different. Do not make payment other than that link. Second part, there will be a link of the form that you have to fill up. After that, take the screenshot of the payment that you have made. Okay, screenshot is compulsory. So take the screenshot and you have to send it on the same number. As soon as you send the screenshot, this thing, your payment as well as your details about books, if what you require, where it has to be delivered, it will be delivered. Now, one important aspect is, it is not necessary that you have to attend workshop. You can buy the book also. Without coming into workshop, you can buy the book also. But I recommended it is better that you buy the book and attend the first live lecture. In the book, everything is systematically explained. It is explained at some point in English also and Devanagari. At some places, we have used also IST script. But then it is for the convenience purpose. There are many charts also there. So it will be giving you a ready reckoner also for your future this thing. There are exercises, 60 exercises, and the whole course is spread with 30 chapters. So interesting. And one more announcement. We are available even on Kindle. The book is available even on Kindle e-books. It is the e-books that are there, electronic books, that is e-book format, that you can buy it from the Kindle. The link will be sent along with this video message. In this video description also, it is the link will be mentioned from where you can buy the Kindle format also. The Kindle e-book can be used even on Android phone, even on iPhone. And if you have a Kindle reader, you can very well go for it. The price of that is only 400 rupees. And you don't need to pay any postage charges. So those who want to buy Kindle, they can buy Kindle. And those who want hard copy have to go through the procedure. So why are we waiting now? Start immediately. Those who want to go ahead and spread our message, Mukhe Mukhe Sanskritam. This is very much required and please take the advantage. Dhanyavadah. Sarvatah Mangalam Bhuyat.